this process, I will show you the sign up process for the drivers. So now first we will click on sign up option, and then the driver will be able to see the terms and conditions that will be displayed on the screen. So they will be able to read that terms and condition, and then they will click on that and agree on the terms and conditions, and then they'll click on agree. So now drivers have to enter their basic details for sign up process. So first driver will enter the first name, last name, and phone number, and then email address, and both phone number and email address will be verified through OTP, and this is optional. If you want, then we will keep it, and if you don't, then we will also remove that. And then driver will enter the password. I mean, they will create the password for themselves. So, and then they have to re-enter the password for the confirmation, and then they will again click on agreeing on the terms and conditions, and then they'll click on sign up. So now we have entered all the details, and now we'll click on sign up. So now we have moved towards the next step. Now driver has to enter their photograph. They can choose from gallery as well as camera. And then I'll click on upload. So now photo has been uploaded. Now they have to select the area. For now we are selecting demo area, and now they have to enter the address. And if they have any referral code, then they can even enter the referral code. And they also have the option to enter the VAT number. So this is completely optional. If you want, then we can put it, and if you don't, then we will remove that. And now we'll click on proceed. VAT, like for now, VAT number is required, so let's just put any VAT number for demo purpose. Then we'll click on proceed. So now driver has to choose the mode in which segment they are providing the services, like the vehicle base or service provider or in bus booking section. So for now we are selecting for the vehicle based, and now we'll click on proceed. So now this is showing that the sign up has been done successfully, so I will click on OK. So now we will log in by entering the phone number and password that we have created. So the phone number is 88. And then we will enter the password. And then we'll click on login. So now driver has to upload their personal documents for their verification purpose. So first registration has been done successfully, and now we will upload the documents. So first is uploading of the personal document. Like there we have multiple options, and we will integrate other documents as well as per your preference. So for now I will click on driving license, and then upload the picture. And then document number and the expiry date. Now I'll click on update. And now we will verify the ID proof. Again we have to go through the same process. First we have to upload the picture, and then document number, and then we have to again select the expiry date, and then we'll click on update. Next is number plate. we have to follow the same process for all the documents. Again, we are entering the document number and the expiry date. From here we can change the year and date as well. So now we will move towards the next step, and now we will add the vehicle. So I will click on manage vehicle, and now I will have to enter all the details regarding the vehicle. So now I will select the vehicle type. Let's say it's bike, vehicle make Honda, and now I have to enter the vehicle number, vehicle color as well, and now I have to upload the photographs and the photo of number plate as well. Now I will click on proceed. So as you can see, a notification will arise that a new vehicle is added in your profile. So now I will click on OK, and then we will move towards the next step. So now we have to enter the documents. Here, driving license. So first we have to upload the picture of the driving license, and after that same the document number and its expiry date. So we will change year and date. Now I will click on update. So as you can see, documents are verified. So now we will move towards the next step. So next step is set services for vehicle. So I will click on manage vehicle option, and then there are different options for taxi like normal, rental, outstation. So I will click on all of them, and then I'll click on save, and then I'll click on continue. So yes. So now the verification has been done successfully. So this was the flow of the document verification and upload for the drivers.